Helo pawb, hello everybody. Cheryl sydd yma o Gwasanaeth ein Cysylltiedig. Hello everybody, it's Cheryl here from Denbighshire Youth Service. So after I was so jealous of Will's new studio, I have gone and managed to bag myself this wonderful screen for tonight's session that we've got for you wonderful people. Take a look. Woo, isn't it very posh? Not as good as Will's, but I'm getting there, Will's, getting there slowly. So, gawn ni gweld pwy sydd yma heno. Let's see who's there. Hello, Kelly, Jess, Tids, Gaz. Who else have we got? Yeah, hello, guys. Hello, pawb. I hope you've been enjoying the wonderful weather out there today. It's absolutely beautiful out there. Hi, Gemma. Well, welcome. Hello, everybody. I hope you've been wearing your sunscreen and you've not been too burnt out there. Hello, Elio. Hello, Mikey. I'm going to start the show as the session as Will's usually would, with a few house rules. Hello, Claire. And so that everybody knows how to operate these platforms and the session in the same way as that we would in any other youth club within the county. Hello, Ellie. No bad language, no silliness, and none of that nonsense. And let's respect each other's privacy. Let's respect the platform, and respect each other and other people out there as well. Okay, so if there's anybody that you want to think about in examples that we might be talking about and different things like that, try not to mention any names or give too much details and all that kind of business. Hello, Kelly. So yeah, most of all, as I always say, let's have fun. So today's Kelly saying I love your hair. Thanks, Kelly. It's just scooped up because it was a bit sweaty in the garden before, too hot. Got to get it out the way. So yeah, especially not, most of all, let's have fun, okay? So if there's anything that you do wish to discuss in a personal and private space, please do let us know. Send a message directly to our Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and all of those wonderful things. You can get all of the youth workers' information and details from the DCC Youth Service website, as well as on Twitter and Facebook and all them other things out there, okay? So yeah, they're all there waiting for you, all you guys to get involved, get in touch with them, okay? Keep them busy on these hot sunny days instead of tanning it in the garden. I'm only joking, guys. I know that you work your socks off out there. Some good youth service stuff going on at the moment, blashes. So, mae'r sesiwn hwn yn ddwyieithog, so mae'n groeso gyrraedd negeseuon yn Gymraeg neu Saesneg, a na gyfieithu nhw a gyrru nhw allan. So the session is fully bilingual. If you want to send your message in Welsh or English, that's absolutely fine. I'll translate them and send them back out there so that all of you can take part. So yeah, Denbighshire Youth Service is still there. So if you guys want to get in touch with any youth worker at all, if you're missing their face, if you just want to have a chat with them, anything like that, if you want to complain about the weather, that it's too hot, absolutely fine. Crack on with it, guys. Go ahead, get in touch with them all. Okay, you contact them, message them, Facebook them, email them, anything that you like. Okay, we're always there, no matter how big or small the issue is. So tonight is Wellbeing Wednesday. So we are going to start our session off. Let me just try and sort this fancy device out here. Let's see what's going on. So we're going to start the session off with Tid. So I'm going to give Tid a buzz, and he can fill us in on what's been going on for Wellbeing Wednesday's news. Okay, guys? So let's give Tid a buzz. Here we go, guys. Let's see if he's going to answer. Hello, Tits. Hello, Tits. How are you doing, Tits?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Very good. Thanks, Tits. So, for our wonderful Wednesday news, what kind of things do you have for us today?
Hello, Rithia. Because obviously, everyone's it's mental health sort of week, and they're raising awareness around mental health.
Ted, I'm going to stop you in your tracks. Can you see this wonderful new thing that I've got going on here? Ted is newyddion gwych, dydd Mercher.
Oh,
Fantastic. Very good. Sorry, guys. Okay, go on, Ted.
I feel famous. Okay. So, my Wellbeing Wednesday's wonderful news basically is all about charities. It's all about mental health. So, everyone's aware with everything that's going on with the coronavirus, and of course, this week more than ever, mental health has been highlighted. So I looked into charities, and I looked into what the government was doing for these charities. So I was a bit worried, thinking with the coronavirus being on, that charities might be, really affected with cuts, with funding, because often not, it's the young people and general people who raise money for these charities. But I did some digging, and I have some wonderful news. So the government have actually suspended all tax for charities. Okay, they promised to invest 750 million during this time to support charities, which means that charities are getting a lot of support in regards to finances, so they can continue their services. But in regards to mental health, they've actually allocated £5 million specifically to deal with mental health. So they're getting all this funding ever, like they're getting all this funding anyway. They're getting £5 million pot to share to specifically work on mental health during this COVID saga. I've got just some quick ones I want to read out, which I found which are really good. So the ones that I've looked at, which are really good, supporting mental health, is Oxfam, Anxiety UK, Young Minds, Heads Together, Samaritans, and Mind. These are just some out of loads that are there who are supporting mental health really, really well, and it's a really sort of supported in an attractive way for young people.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Tids. And also there's stuff like Childline and Bernardo's and wonderful youth workers like us out there who can support you guys if you're struggling with your mental health. Is that right, Tids?
Yeah, that's right. So we're open as a service. We're here. We're still active. So we're always accessible through this platform, through everything. And our youth workers are so skilled. They've been probably through a lot of stuff that you might not know, so they've got that life experience. But more importantly, I think you can talk to them because we get it. We get it. Do you know what I mean? We're not really like teachers. We're there to support you. We get you as young people. Cheryl, I've got some other good big news.
Oh, go on, Tids. Let's hear it.
Tom, the guy, the old guy, as my mum said, the old guy who's walking in the garden.
Oh, yeah.
He's been knighted. He raised millions of pounds, didn't he, by walking his garden.
Fantastic.
Sir Tom now. Sir Tom is to be knighted.
Fantastic. That's excellent news. And he raised millions, and not just him himself, was it? It was you guys out there, whoever's funded and put money in that pot. So tap on the back if you guys have put some money in there. So fantastic. Thanks, Tids, for that. I hope you like your little display in the background there.
I really love it. I did Will's challenge as well, Cheryl.
Okay, let's hear the challenge.
So Will's wanted to ask someone for 3 good things about yourself. So I asked some friends and family about 3 good things they thought about me. So my dad said I was smelly, so I won't count that one. I think that's very fair. But I have a good sense of humour. I have a positive outlook on life, and I'm a hard worker.
Fantastic.
So and honestly, it made me feel quite good about myself.
Very good. So thank you so much for that, Tids. That brings us on to our next topic of the evening. So thanks, Tids. Take care. Hwyl fawr. Tra, Tids, hwyl. So hello, Lucy. Welcome aboard. So yes. So Kelly, Lucy, I'm sorry, she's missing Youth Club. God love her. Yeah, we're all missing it so much. Guys, I'm just making sure that you can see that okay on there? Yeah. That'll do. We'll rock on with that. Okay, so on Monday you got to meet the wonderful Kelly. So I believe that she sent you a fantastic challenge, which I absolutely loved. It rolls in absolutely perfect for this night session, Wellbeing Wednesday, and also with it being Mental Health Awareness Week, which is also amazing. Okay, so I believe that your challenge was 3 positive things about you. Okay, so to ask 3 different people, what they have got to say that's positive about you. So if you've got some examples, please let me know in the comment box. And if you have not done the challenge, you have still got plenty of time to do this challenge. You can ask 3 people in your house, give them a text whilst you are on live YouTube with us, chatting away, and put in your comments, what people have said to you in the comment box, so that I can read them out. If you don't want to, if you're feeling a bit embarrassed, or don't really want people knowing, then that's absolutely fine. So Kelly saying that she had one saying that she's an absolutely wonderful manager. That is wonderful to know. Tids has also had some really wonderful some stuff that he's been told there. So I had some really fantastic stuff saying that saying that I was very positive attitude, that I go out my way to help young people, that I'm very enthusiastic within my job. So yeah, all wonderful things like that. Very kind and caring, give honest opinions. So yeah, that's great. I don't know too much about the honest opinions. It does land you in hot water sometimes, guys. So yeah, so you've got to learn to juggle this. So those of you that are out there that think, you know what, I'm going to say whatever I want, whenever I want, and it doesn't matter, that's your issue if you can't deal with it, then let me tell you now, guys, it does land you in hot water sometimes. So you do have to learn to manage what you say sometimes. So just be careful with that. So Kelly's also saying that she gave about 10 people positive things about them and made them smile. Absolutely. And this is what it's all about. And to be honest, I went on training this morning, and I don't know if you've ever done like the positive jars. So you can get like an old jar, even if you're making some kind of cooking and different things like that. And you can put like positive thoughts in it, and at the end of the day or the end of the week, you can open them out, and it does make you feel better. It gives you that inner, like, that little smile on your face, bless. So Kelly M was saying that she was told that she was a natural youth worker, supportive and kind, and that she's very good at trading a husband as well. That's quite good. That Kelly might need some tips there. So Gemma's saying that one of her mates said 3 things about her, which is that she's beautiful, which is really good for her because she does sometimes feel insecure. That she's short so that I can win any hiding game, and that I'm smart. That is fantastic. They are wonderful, positive things. Sarah saying that she loves sharing positive messages with people and let them know what's great about them. So it's training, not trading. Kelly is saying with her husband, she's very good at training her husband. Well, Kelly, share the tips this way. I would love to know. So yeah, fantastic, guys. They are really some wonderful things going on there. I know that Jess has had she messaged in this week saying that she's had some wonderful feedback from all of her friends, saying that she's very organised, that she's a very, very good youth worker, and all different things like that. So she did message in, but I'm really sorry, guys. I forgot to put it on my slideshow. I just overwhelmed with it. Look at it, it's fancy. I might have to adjust it a bit though, guys. Can you see it okay there? Let me know. Because if not, I'm going to have to do a bit of movement, I think, with it and see how we get on. But we'll go with that for tonight, see how we get on. So, guys, is there anybody else that wants to let me know 3 positive things that people have said about them? That I would love to hear them. Let me know in the comment box. Anybody? No? Is that all for today, guys? Okay, that's absolutely fine. Don't worry. So, I want to carry on from last week when Will has put out the question about how do you think that life is going to affect young people after COVID, and how do you think that it's going to feel? How do you think that it's going to look? And all them kind of things. And last week we talked a little bit about relationships and how that we might have got to know like the people that we live with a bit more, or get to know what annoys them, what they like, and all different things like that. So this week we're going to talk about communication. So there's all different ways that we can communicate. And I know from the young people I've been speaking to, a lot of the time they're sat at home on their games, on their Xbox. I know you're all grinning like, yes, I know, she knows. On your Xboxes, typing away, messaging your friends and different things like that. Some of you may not. You might just be on your oh guys, it's going off here. You might just be on your text messaging, or you might be on all them wonderful things that you've got nowadays, Instagram and Snapchat and all them different things. So we're going to have a bit of a fun game tonight, and this game is called Guess the Emoji. Okay, so what I want you to do as part of this game, I'm going to show you an emoji and you're going to tell me what, if somebody sent you that emoji, what do you think that it is? Okay, what would you think that they're meaning by that? Okay, so this is your first one. So if somebody sent you this emoji, what would you think, guys? Let me know in the comment box. People might take this like, oh my God, what the heck is that? Oh, love, Sarah's saying, yeah, possibly. What other things would you guys think? Do you agree with Sarah? Do you think that it's love, or do you think that it means something else? Oh, Ellie's saying love, and Matthew saying love eyes. Yeah, absolutely. Puppy dog eyes when you meet your first love, and ooh, and you go butterflies and all that. So Gemma's saying that they think you're beautiful. Guys, so the whole purpose of this is so that you can see how these emojis, how people interpret things differently. So yeah, as you can see, some of you think that it's love, some think that it's beautiful. Okay, so that you guys are right, it is love, and these are some of the other things that people might send to you. So you've got this one here, and this one here, and another one here. Can you see that there, guys? I'm going to move my studio over just a little bit. There we go. That's much better. Okay. So all of these different emojis mean love. Yeah, so Kelly's saying that I use that when I love something, or if someone sends a picture of chocolate, I might use that. Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you there, Kelly. So, yeah, but as you can see, somebody might think, oh, this is somebody sending a kiss to me. This is a bit strange. I've never passed any interpretation that I fancy the socks off them or anything like that, or oh bless mum and dad, sending a kiss or something like that. So yeah, well done, guys, very good. So there's another one there. Sorry, guys, and a love heart there. Fantastic. So this is the next one now, guys. So let me know what you think that this one is. So if you got this in your text messaging box or in your Facebook Messenger or wherever you go nowadays, what would you think that this would? What does it mean to you? Sad, yeah, guys? Ellie's got sad, Matthew's saying sad. What else? Anybody else? Sadness, crying, yeah, sad, upset, yeah, absolutely, fantastic. So then there's some other stuff here that also link in with sad. So as you can see, what do you guys think? What would you say that all of these, when I was researching, all of these are all equal into sad? But sorry, guys, we're going off there. This one here, I would think, oh my gosh, somebody's getting on my nerves, and I'd probably send them that. I don't think that I would send that as sad. Would you guys? What do you think? This would be like, oh, absolutely fuming. What's going on in my life? And this, I wouldn't say that this one's sad. Do you guys agree? What do you think out there? So this one here, would you agree, yes or no, that it's sad? And if no, what would you think that this is? I'd love to know. So Matthew's saying no, he doesn't think that it's sad. No, I agree. I don't think that it's sad either, but apparently so. Yes, guys. So well done. So the next one is this one, okay? I sent the eye rolling emoji if someone was annoying me. Yeah, I would do the same. Boredom, that last emoji, yeah, absolutely. I would say the same, to be honest, Matthew. This one, boredom. Yeah, don't know what to say. Like, you know, if somebody's saying something, don't know. Yeah, so Sarah's saying funny for this one. Elio saying that she's excited. Guys, what other things would you think if somebody sent you this? Let me know. I would think like, yeah, I think that I would probably go with Ellie, to be honest, and think, yeah, someone's a bit excited there if they're sending me that picture. What do you guys think out there? So some other ones that might come through. Oh, funny, okay. So yeah, we're learning something new here tonight, guys. Funny and super excited. So some other ones are these. Oh, and yeah, it is funny. But I would probably say that this was exciting. But these, yeah, they're all funny. However, if somebody sent this with a finger pointing at me, what do you guys think? If you was feeling a bit fed up and somebody sent you this one, I would probably think that they was laughing at me. I don't know what you guys think. What do you guys think out there? I would, if I was in a bad mood and someone sent me that, I'd be fuming, to be quite honest with you. I don't know about you. What do you think? Yeah, I agree, Gemma. Yeah, that they're laughing at you. I would think exactly the same too. And depending under what context, I'd either be laughing as well, thinking, yeah, okay. Or be thinking, you know, oh my God, why are they laughing at me? Having a bit of a cry. So here goes. Here's the next one. Guys, what would you think, or what would you say that this emoji means here? Have a little look, have a little think. Sick, yeah. What else? What else have we got out there? Any other ones, guys? Anybody want to have a guess? Yuck, yeah, feeling ill, sick. So, guys, actually, this, along with all of these emojis, actually mean that somebody's disgusted. Yeah, so Kelly's saying absolutely disgusting. Yeah. And so all of these emojis actually do mean that somebody is disgusted. So if you're disgusted with something, what they're saying is that these are the emojis to send if you're feeling disgusted. But yeah, this doesn't look great at all, does it, guys? This looks like something that's just come up after you've eaten your dinner. It doesn't look great, does it? I would not be impressed. These, I'm not too sure about these two here. If I would go with disgusted, this, oh my goodness, I would definitely not say disgusted with that. I would say more like disgusting. Ugh. Disgusted, maybe like, yeah, maybe that one. I can understand that one. This one, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment box what you think. Have we got any more challenges going on out there, guys? Has anybody else had a little chat with the family or the friends and want to let us know what they've had feedback from their challenges? Let us know, guys, in the little box there. Okay, so the next one is this one. What would you think if somebody sent you this? I would think, oh my God, I'm absolutely horrified. Oh, Sarah's saying, bleh. Bleh. So I would think, oh my God, somebody's really scared. Oh, shocked. Yeah. Oh my God, Kelly would be thinking, yeah. What other things have we got going on there? So if I put these up here, all of these guys actually mean that somebody is scared. Okay. So yeah, well done. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, this one here, I would say that it's probably somebody crying. I don't know about you guys. What do you think? I would say that that's crying. Somebody really upset. Somebody feeling really fed up, really sorry for themselves, crying. I wouldn't necessarily put that in the same category of these. What do you guys think? What's your thoughts behind them? Do you agree that they all mean the same thing, or would you think that? So Gemma saying that at the bottom one, nerves. Yeah, most definitely. I would probably be feeling like that. Sweaty, crying, upset. You know, we are all feeling all of these things going on in our body when we're feeling a bit nervous. Yeah, that's really good, that, Gemma. Well done. Yeah, I would think nervous too. Okay, so what about this one, guys? What do you think about this one? What do you say about that one? I would say that somebody would probably be saying that I'm boring, maybe, depending how I'm feeling, depending on the context of the conversation going on. Fat fingers. Oh, Kelly's saying she's got fat fingers. Tired, yeah, constant mood, bored, tired. Oh, Gemma, tired all the time. That's because you need to get out, guys. Get out to get some fresh air, walking, cycling. Boom, it boosts your energy. So we've got bored, tired, whoa, tired. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. So we've got a few more here, guys. Oh, so all of these actually means bored. Would you guys agree that they're all the same? I would think that this one was bored. However, I wouldn't really say that this was bored. What do you guys think? This looks like somebody's absolutely fuming with you. And we've had this one before, didn't we? We had a chat about this one before. But this one, what do you guys think? I wouldn't say that this is bored at all. And Matthew, he doesn't know. Don't worry about it. I don't know half the time. Have you ever heard of that expression, fake it till you make it? Yeah, Sarah's saying sad. I agree. They do look sad. So yeah, Matthew, fake it till you make it. Nobody ever knows the difference. Just make it up as you go along. Okay, guys, what about this one? What do you think about this one here? We've got these ones as well. What do you guys think here? I would think that this is somebody questioning something. Top left, like you're a bit upset, but not breakdown mode. Yeah, I agree. Curious, confused. Yeah, curious. Yeah, definitely curious, confused. Yeah, so this emoji is actually thinking, curious, all them kind of things. However, this one here, I would feel a little bit offended if somebody sent me that. Like, what? What do you guys think? Can you see that okay there? Do you think that that's a good emoji to send somebody if you're saying that you're wanting to know if they're thinking, or different things like that? What do you think? Well, it just goes to show, doesn't it, how all of these different emojis that are going on here, how we can all interpret them differently, and how I might mean one thing by sending this message, and actually I'm probably thinking, no, actually, what are you going on about? But they're all, they're all so different and so similar, and we all think so differently, don't we? So here's another one now, guys. So what do you guys think that this one is? So I'd probably think that someone is absolutely fuming, like dragon fuming with steam coming out of their ears. What do you guys think out there? Let me know in the comment box. Anger, yeah, anger, cross, anger, yeah, definitely anger and cross. Okay, guys. So, yeah, these are other ones as well. These are all angry ones, absolutely. This one's more like the one that I was just talking about, fuming with steam coming out of your ears and all different things like that. But this one looks like somebody's going to be shouted at. Can you see the little finger there pointing? But yeah, so all of these mean angry. Well done, guys. And then we've got this one. So if somebody sent you this, what would this mean? What would it mean to you if somebody sent you this? Okay, or what if they sent you something like this or this? Cool, Claire's saying. Cool, yeah, okay. Thumbs up, cool. Okay, yeah, okay. Yeah, I would agree that it means okay, yeah. But somebody else might think that actually that means yes and not okay. But yeah, oh, so Gemma's saying yes, thanks, okay, that's fantastic. Yeah, brilliant, guys. So that's our I hate that emoji, it offends me. Yeah, Kelly doesn't like that. Do you know what? Guys, so you're probably thinking, like, what is the whole point of that? I don't really understand it. So the whole point of that and the whole point of me demonstrating all of them different kind of emojis to you guys is so that you can see that how we interpret things, and to always be mindful when you're sending something, who you're sending it to and what they're feeling. So if you've had a chat with somebody, and they've said, "Oh, I'm feeling really fed up," and then you go and send them something, like this. And if you're Kelly, oh my gosh, she's going to be fuming. She's going to be even more fuming. She's going to be absolutely offended. So the moral of this session, guys, is just to be mindful when communicating with other people out there. And there is so many weird and wonderful ways that we can communicate nowadays. But there's nothing like a good old fashioned picking up the phone and having the chat. But even then, you can't read people's facial expressions on the other side. You might be saying, yeah, lovely, yeah, I'd love a cup of tea, and then in the background they're probably going, "Oh no, not a cup of tea." So yeah, please be mindful, guys. And if you can communicate and see each other, like this, and have conversations where you can see each other, so where you can read people's body language, and their conversations, please do. It's really, really important. And I know that is so hard for you guys right now when you're out there. And not only that, but it is very, very good for your mental health and your well-being, to meet with other people, to communicate, to have these conversations, to read other people's body language, just to see somebody, just to be with somebody. And the way that we interpret things, and the way that we communicate things and see things, and all them different kind of things, we can't actually always see what people are feeling and how they're trying to communicate things. And like Kelly said, yeah, people do get offended, people can become upset, and even though you don't mean to upset them or offend them. So yeah, diolch yn fawr pawb. Thank you very much for joining in. So Wills will be back tomorrow. Bydd Wills yn ôl fory, 6 I hope that you have a wonderful evening. Diolch yn fawr am cymryd rhan. Thank you so much for taking part. Get back outside in the fresh air, guys. If you have got a back garden, take full advantage of that. Please make sure that you've got sunscreen on. It is so hot. I hope that you've had sunscreen on all day. If you haven't, please take all the right precautions to try and protect yourself, your skin, and all that kind of stuff. We don't want people getting like 3rd-degree burns and all that business. So, sunburn, oh my gosh, it can be so horrible, bless. So Sarah's off to play games in the garden. Yeah, absolutely. Get onto Facebook and our Twitter page and have a look at Jim's garden activities if you're not too sure. So yeah, guys, thank you so much. Diolch yn fawr am cymryd rhan. Keep safe, cadwch yn saff. And I will see you all. I'm going to be back next Tuesday, actually, guys. Wills is going to be taking some annual leave, so I'm going to be jumping on board Tuesday and Wednesday. So I'll see you all then. Diolch yn fawr. Take care. Hwyl fawr.